Hello, boys. How are you? Good afternoon. Today we start our topic. This is about long E spelling EA and double E. When after E come A, then sound E become long. When in any word the double E come, then also sound E become long. Now here we speak knee, flee, me, be, she, leaf, feet, eat. Okay, and here what? Double E, here EA, and this is exceptional case, and ME also long E sound, and here double E, and here she also long sound, and here EA, and here double E, and here EA. Here the sound become long. Now, some words don't follow this rule even. Okay, for example, here you can see head, head. We don't speak heat. Here, some only few words. They there we can follow this rule. Okay, and here also weather. Weather. We don't speak weather. Weather. Here we don't speak heat, head. Here we speak short E, only these two words. Other these we speak long sound of vowel E. And next voice, I start here track 59, and you listen this sound of long vowel E. Then we start another one. First of all, I start track 59.
Track 59.
A bee and a flea had breakfast with tea. The bee bumped his head and went back to bed.
Track 60.
Little ant.
Okay, now here voice, he say, listen to the poem, which word have the long E sound and which word have the short E sound. A bee and a flea had a breakfast with tea. The bee bumped his head and went back to bed. Here you can see some words have short vowel E sound and some long vowel E sound. Look here, B, that is long vowel E sound. Flea, long vowel E sound. T, long vowel E sound. But breakfast, here not long, no, we don't see breakfast, no, breakfast, head, went, bed. These words have short vowel E sound. Okay, boys. Some words it's difficult to differentiate the long and short vowel sound E, and you must be revise this. Okay, short and long vowel E sound. Okay, boys. This is our topic today. See you later.